Ready to unlock your real estate career in sunny Naples? We'll guide you through the Nabor Realtor application form, making the process smooth and stress-free. First, head to the Nabor website and download the application form now. Let's tackle Section 1. Your personal information. Provide your legal name, current address, phone number, and email. Ensure this information is accurate, as Nabor will use it for all official communications. Moving on to Section 2, broker information. Here, you'll need to input the name of your sponsoring broker, their Nabor member ID, and the brokerage's address and phone number. This information confirms your affiliation with a Nabor-approved brokerage. Next, in Section 3, education and licensing, carefully list all your real estate licenses, including the issuing state, license number, and expiration date. You'll also need to provide details of your real estate education, including course names and completion dates. Accuracy is key here. Now for Section 4, payment information. Review the fee schedule on the Nabor website or the application itself. Then, select your preferred payment method: credit card, check, or money order, and provide the necessary details. Double-check the amount to avoid processing delays. Finally, Section 5 requires your signature and date. By signing, you're confirming that all the information provided is true and accurate. Before submitting, thoroughly review the entire application one last time. Attach any required documents, such as copies of your real estate license and driver's license. Submit your completed application and supporting documents to Nabor as instructed on their website, either online or via mail. Congratulations! You're one step closer to becoming a Nabor member and thriving in the Naples real estate market. Good luck!